Hare Krishna. When Lord Jagannath darshan is unavailable during the Anavasara period, at that time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, greatly missing the darshan of Lord Jagannath, becomes very broken-hearted in separation. And he leaves Jagannath Puri and goes to a place called Alalnath. What is so special about Alalnath? In Alalnath there is a deity of Adokshaja Vishnu with 400 form. Somebody may wonder, if you are feeling separation from Jagannath, who is Krishna, then why do you go to see a 400 form of Vishnu? Vishnu is in reverential worship. But there is a great secret behind it. That that Vishnu deity there is not Vishnu actually, it is Krishna, who expanded two hands when he left the dancing arena of the gopis in a place called Paita, where he assumed two extra hands just to pretend to gopis that I am not Krishna, I am Vishnu, when the gopis were searching for Krishna. Later on, when all the gopis were searching, lastly when Radharani came with eyes welling up with tears and her kajal mixing with tears flowing down, when the 400 form of Krishna saw that form, his two hands melted away. And then he could not hide his form anymore. So that is the form of Vishnu there in Alalnath. So Mahaprabhu goes there to Alalnath. It's very symbolic because you can see that just as in the Rasa dance when Krishna disappeared, gopis went crying and they met this 400 form of Krishna. Similarly here, Lord Chaitanya is missing Jagannath's darshan and is going in separation to Alalnath to see that 400 form of Krishna there. And there is a stone there in which Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu offered obeisances, and that has melted and it has formed an impression there of Mahaprabhu's body, which goes to show how he felt a great fire of separation. And he was constantly chanting the holy name. And later on, when Lord Jagannath gave darshan, that is called Netrotsav. When Mahaprabhu very joyfully came back to take darshan of Jagannath. And after that, the Jagannath festival starts. So there, in front of the Rath cart, Lord Jagannath happily dances, Lord Chaitanya happily dances and welcomes Jagannath to Vrindavan, which is Sundarachal, Nilachal Sundarachal. So you will find whether in separation or in union, there is always chanting of the holy name. In any situation. Devotees of the Lord, they never stop chanting the holy name. Just like when Krishna and Balaram were taken by Akrura out of Vrindavan to Mathura, all the gopis whole night they were chanting. Evam Bruvanam Virahatura Brisham Vrajastriya Krishna Vishakta Manasa Visrujjalajam Rurudusma Suswaran Govinda Damodara Madhaveti Govinda Damodara Madhaveti Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. So they were singing whole night Govinda, Damodara, Madhava. These names they were calling out, it is said. So the chanting of the holy name is a perpetual festival for the soul, both in separation and in union. Because the chanting of the holy name gives great energy to the soul. The spiritual energy of the soul becomes increased more and more, and the soul feels more and more nourished. Just like when you eat the food, your body gets nourished, isn't it? And when somebody encourages you, your mind feels nourishment. Similarly, when you chant the holy name, the soul feels nourished. And the soul feels nourished and energized by the chanting of the holy name. And when we get negative inputs, like lust, anger and greed, the mind gets putrefied and contaminated like a clear lake water becoming like a muddy pool of water. Similarly, with the body, we do sinful activities, meat eating, gambling, illicit sex, intoxication. And the body gets putrefied, due to which the body becomes contaminated by sinful activities and carrying the baggage of sinful reactions. Similarly, if the soul does not chant the holy name, the soul becomes malnourished and weak. And how do you know the soul has become malnourished and weak? Such a soul is easily possible to become a victim of Maya. Just like a person with low immunity can easily catch some disease. Similarly, the soul who does not nourish himself by chanting the holy name becomes an easy victim when, especially coming in the ambience of Maya, like the material world. So therefore, one should know simply singing the holy name, chanting the holy name repeatedly, nourishes the soul, energizes the soul, elevates the soul, purifies the soul, puts soul back in his original state. Even in Sambhoga, Vipralamba, in all situations, the chanting of the holy name is the only constant companion of the living entity. Harinam Prabhu ki. Let us offer our humble obeisances unto all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord, who are just like the trees, ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Ananta koti Vaishnava vrindaki, Vaishnava Thakur Srila Prabhupada ki, Namacharya Haridas.